How to set your Spotify song as ringtone. If any day you would like to set your Spotify song as your ringtone, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Spotify on your mobile device. In order to do so, first of all, tap on Spotify on your mobile device. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to select your favorite song which you would like to select as your very ringtone. And you have to go to the very playlist and then to the song which you would like to select as your very ringtone. I select the song that I would like to do as my ringtone. After that, you have to tap on the song and then you will see the three dots out on the top. Now you have to check whether all of these options are available or not, and you have to make the very song to your liked song. To do that, you have to tap on add to like song. After that, you will see an option like this, which is the share option, and you have to go to the option of share. And after you go to the option of share, and when you tap on the designated option, your very Spotify song will be selected as a ringtone on your mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.